In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the login error happening with Fortnite. So the first step I can give you is to actually make sure that you have good Wi-Fi, because some people have very bad Wi-Fi connection without them knowing. That prevents them from logging into Fortnite correctly. So an alternative that you can do is to actually plug in an Ethernet cable. That way you will have consistent, stable internet, so bad Wi-Fi will not be an issue. The second thing you could try is to actually quit Epic Games and then right click on it again and run it as an administrator. This will sometimes bypass some of the issues. Let's say that doesn't work. What you can go ahead and do is open Epic Games, go to Fortnite, go to the three dots, click on Manage and click on Verify Files. This will make sure that there are no corrupt or missing files that might prevent you from logging into Fortnite correctly. Now let's say that doesn't work either. The last advice I could give you is to install a VPN. That might help you bypass the login error on Fortnite, and if you bypass that error, you can then disconnect from the VPN again and play Fortnite normally.